Okay, what we're going to do is the same thing as we did on Wednesday, where we are going to go ahead and try to decode words by entering the double F or a double Z into these words and trying to see which ones make sense. Okay, so here I have this crazy big bad wolf. And if you guys remember our fairy tales, this guy would like to blow the house down. Okay, and he said something. Now let's try to find, was it puzz or puff? Yeah, it was puff. He would huff and he will puff and he would what? That's right, blow the house down. Good. This is soda, and the soda has bubbles. Another word for those bubbles is actually fizz. Okay, so over here we have fizz. It's not fifth, it's fizz. Okay, fizz, fizz. Okay, this lady over here, I know it's a lady because she's got nail polish. This lady over here is not turning the lights on. What's the opposite of on? Is it Oz? That doesn't look right, does it? Nope. So I'm going to put it back. And I'm going to try to use this one. Ooh, yeah, that looks kind of normal. Off. Off. Turn the lights on. Off. On. Off. And if you notice, it's different than the word of that we have as a sight word, which has only one F. Okay, so that's why we're paying attention to these words, because we want to make sure we're writing them, but also decoding them to make sure that they make actual sense. So this is the word off, off, like I'm turning the lights off. Okay, here we have our a little band, and they're playing specific type of music. It's a musical genre. You know how we have different genres of books. We have fiction, nonfiction. Well, in music, they also have a different types of genres. So let's see if you might actually try to be able to decode this one. Is it Jaff? Oh, that doesn't sound right. Okay, Jaff is not the type of music. But over here, if I put these guys, can you guys try to figure out what would that say? Jazz. Jazz. Good. Yes, that is jazz. Jazz is a type of music. It's a genre of music. Good. Now here, I know most of you are going to pretty much know who this character is. I know that this is Mr. Buff. No, Miss Santana, that's not right. His name is what? Buzz. You're right. This is Buzz. Buzz Lightyear. Good, from the Toy Story cartoon. Good. Now you know how to write the word buzz, and you know how to decode it when you see it on boxes, on toys. You'll be like, oh, Buzz, that's him. Now, if a lot of you like to be policemen and policewomen when you grow up, and you're going to use a tool to catch the bad guys and bad girls. So over here you have a tool called handcuff. Handcuff, okay? Now I put the word cuff over here just so we can focus on that, because a cuff is something that you put around your wrists, right? So they can't run away anymore, okay? Cuff. Now, this little guy, if you played ABC on the math games, you will recognize this character. Let's see which one would work. Is it Mr. Fuff? No, that's not Mr. Fuff, although that is kind of a cute little name for him. It is a fuzz. He's a fuzz bug. Remember that? Yeah, he's a fuzz bug. Now I'm going to move my window up so we can see the last one over here. Okay. Now, are these moose or muffs? It's a muff. Okay. It's an ear muff. These we use for winter time if you're ever near snow to protect your ears from the cold. A muff, ear muff. Okay, so let's go over here. This is Mr. Big Bad Wolf. He will huff and puff and blow your house down. Decode this with me. Fizz, fizz. Right, it's a little fizzy water. Okay, on, off, on, off. Okay, jazz, the genre of music. Buzz, the character. Cuff, fuzz, bug, and muff. Good. On the do-it-yourself, you're going to have to do the exactly same thing where you're going to have to try to match whether it's a double Z or a double F to the words to see if they make sense. Okay? Good luck, Rangers!